A Taurus wakes every morning with the soft thud of a quiet volcano inside, waiting to decide whether to calmly burn or boldly bloom. The viewer feels the weight of small comforts, coffee steam, a steady routine, while an undercurrent of tension hums just beneath the surface, promising a sudden shift. Then a decision arrives like a tremor choosing authenticity over safe quiet, and the room tilts with new resolve. A warning glints in the air, revealing that real change hides in the moment you resist settling. Comment with your Taurus moment and what awakens you tonight.